Twin flame separation is actually protection. Protection of the God essence frequency. You see, this is not a normal relationship. It's nothing to do really with a relationship. And I know for some of you that will feel very triggering. Yes, the chemistry is off the scale. The love that you feel is a love that you have never felt before. The reason you have never felt that love before is because the love that you are actually feeling is your own God essence frequency. It's the Sophia Christ conscious frequency. And it has now awoke within you. But at the beginning of this journey, your frequency and energy needs to stabilize. So you and your divine counterpart will go into a separation. The separation is there for you to learn how to work with the energetic frequency. And at first, you will just want to project it onto them. You will blame them. You will see that the separation, and you will think, should I say, you will think that the separation is there because of them. But actually, that's not the truth of the journey. The truth of the journey is that they are pointing you to where the true soul essence is, and that is back into you. You see, you are the divine feminine, whether you identify in the physical form or as male or female. If you are searching out the twin flame information, you hold the frequency of the feminine frequency of the connection. The divine masculine, they are running in the energy. They will pull back, but they're not pulling back to hurt you. And here's another big thing that I really want you to be aware of. There will always be a story why you can't come together. But I want you, if you are truly, and I'm talking about true twin flames, a majority of people that believe they're a twin flame are not truly on the twin flame journey. This is an awakening. It is a powerful, powerful awakening of your own God essence. Your whole identity will collapse. That is part of the journey. Not maybe, not for some, for all. It is an awakening. And what happens is it sheds the old frequency. The thing is, when you go into that first separation, there is so much going on, divine feminine. That's why it feels so painful. It feels so unbelievable how you cannot even function. Why can't you clean your teeth? Why can't you just do normal things without the mind? The mind will be 1,000. I can't even say it into words how fast it will be going, and it will not give you a minute's peace. You will be gasping for air in trying to stop. And this is the thing. True twin flames at some point will go, how do I get off this journey? How do I stop this journey? How do I escape this journey? Because an awakening journey isn't pink and fluffy. It isn't somebody riding in on a white horse with picket fences and pink roses growing up around it. No, you have fallen in the mud, and the mud is pulling you down. And the more that you try and pull yourself out of the mud, you are now eating the mud. You are now covered in mud, and you can barely see, you can barely breathe as you are covered in this, I'm just calling it mud, but we could go even further. It is doing that because you are now on a rebirth. You will have heard that the phoenix that rises from the ashes. Divine feminine, you are now rising from the mud, from the dirt, from the swallow. And the mind, well, the mind is going 100 miles an hour. But why is that happening? Because you are now going through the biggest biggest transformation that you will ever go through. You are now in a very rapid forced awakening. It is so rapid. And what you are transitioning through, the core wounds are coming up, the love that you feel, the mind that is activated, the Kundalini energy that is now pumping through your body, and you feel all this sexual energy and all this emotion that is now rising, because you now are learning how to work with your beautiful, potent gifts. And at first, you will see it as solely pain. At first, you will see it as solely separation. But as you transverse through the journey, you will start to see. You will start to release the doubt. You will start to see the magic and start to understand the universe at a far deeper level. The level that Van Gogh painted at, the level that Albert Einstein understood the universe at, the level that Nikola Tesla understood at, you will understand and start to, and not from here, you will feel it energetically. You will feel it at a soul level. And why that separation happens is so that the energy can be protected. Whenever the twins are not in an equilibrium state, it pulls them apart. Why? Because the divine feminine holds the frequency and the divine masculine meets the divine feminine in that higher frequency. But once you have held that frequency and you've learned, here's a key thing, you've learned how to work with that frequency, to be in that frequency, you've learned to hold that frequency, divine masculine will either come in energetically or in the physical, and you'll be like, yeah, I've got it this time. But sooner or later, they will trigger you, and you will then go into another separation, only for you to ascend into a higher frequency. Divine feminine, this is your ascension journey. Twins can only come in when they're in that singularity, oneness frequency, that inner frequency. And how do you know when you've come into that inner union? You will feel inner union with all, with everything in your world. You will start to feel that inner union with Sophia Christ conscious frequency. Now, for some, and now I'm going even deeper, you will have this feeling of wanting to be in that beautiful energy of maybe churches, of that high vibrational angelic singing. But you will also have this battle with religion, because religion is there to separate. Whereas this journey is a journey of oneness. It is the true religion, the religion of Sophia Christ conscious frequency. And that is when we strip all religion away and we get to the very core, every religion is based on the Sophia Christ conscious frequency. It is on divine, on love. It's what everything comes back to. And twins are here to bring in the new templates of love onto the earth's frequency. This journey is a deeply powerful journey. There's a lot of pink fluffy stuff out there that will keep you looping. This journey is way beyond just divine masculine and divine feminine. It is your connection to divine. If you need more help and support to shift into inner union, my website is there. We are currently in 30 days to inner union, where I support you every single day throughout January to help you shift into. So you stop the endless searching, you stop the chaos, and you start to regulate that beautiful nervous system to be able to hold the frequency with the masculine.